To one and all presenter here. Today we are in the show of Food Treasure, powered by Godrej. So we are in this show, and this treasure shows us the treasure from the whole India and the treasure one people who gives us and the collective food. They introduced us with the food, which gives us a feeling of an Indian food as well. So here we have finded one treasure person to as a guest of this show today. So let me introduce with her. So here is she.
Hello everyone. Hello guys. How are you all?
Fine.
And good evening all.
Yes.
So,
How are you?
I am also fine. My name is Ditaravinda Varagade and I am from Vardha.
So hi Diwali. So
Hi.
what do you do?
So I am a chef also,
Yeah.
and I am a businesswoman also.
So what food you like to cook in the everyday life?
As all we take the food in regular life like chapati, different types of veggies, and much more food for children also.
Okay, so you want to find means you want to find a way to explore the new foods. Yes. Okay. So today you will means which dish you will introduce to us to our whole audience.
So today I introduce the new dish. It's called kofta with spinach curry.
Oh, its name is too delicious to
Yes.
hear also. So what are the ingredients to make
So
it?
there is ingredients. So first of all we take one boil corn
So
here.
it is the main ingredient of the dish.
Yes, there is spinach. It's also the main ingredients. There is the slice of bread,
Okay.
and there is the salt, red chili powder.
How much we have to take it means the quantity as well.
We have to take 2 or 3 slices of bread,
Okay.
and we have to take a bunch of spinach, and there is a salt, red chili powder, water, oil, tomato, piece of tomatoes,
Okay.
onion, garlic and ginger paste.
Okay.
So,
So we will start the
Yes.
recipe. So first we will have to take the pot.
yes, so first of all we have to take a bowl.
Okay.
Then we have to take boil corn in it. Then first of all we have to take a personal bowl for the slice of bread. We have
Okay.
add water in it. Then next we add the slice of bread in.
In
We
which?
have, in water.
Okay.
Then we have to dip into the water.
Ah.
Then next we have to put it and remove all water from the bread.
Okay.
Next we have to made it like a flour, and
Okay.
then we have to add the bread into the corn. Then we have to made some small balls. Then next we have to take the pan and take oil in this. Then we have to fry it in it.
So how many times? What is the duration of time to fry it?
It's when the balls get goldish brown, then
Okay.
we
So
have
it's 15 to 20
20
minutes.
minutes. And
So we have to put it on the gas.
yes, and then we get the deep fried it all the balls. It's golden brown. Then we have to put it in get the tissue papers.
Okay, to remove the oil
Remove
as
the
well.
oil for our safe body and healthy
Yeah.
body.
So in this we have to take precautions as well if we are cooking the food. So in some foods we have to take precautions as well. So if we don't have to burn our hands or everything as a knife or something, so we have to take precautions as well in that.
So next we take a mixture pot. We add spinach. Mixture pot. We have to take spinach. Then we have to add a tomato, onion. And next we have to add ginger garlic paste also. Then we have next all salt and red chili powder
Salt,
also.
salt as per our
And,
need.
and as per our taste also.
Yeah.
So then we have to mix it. It's like a puree
Yeah.
for it because it have to we have to make a curry.
Yeah.
So then we have to take a pan, take a oil in it, some oil in it. Then we have to add the curry in it. So we have to boil it for 2 to 3 minutes.
Okay.
And we have to add some water and salt and red chili powder also.
Okay.
Because we have then we have boiled it, so it get just less than our puree, so we have to add more water in it. So then after 5 minutes it get ready.
Okay, so when it is getting ready, so we will discuss something. So, how means in your daily life, which new things you like to make?
Uh, there in my house, my father and my brother like to try new dish. So I watch on YouTube and other also. I like a food literature and also the channels, and I like to make a new food and explore the also. Like it's a dish of corn kofta. We made it from the veggies. We like carrot kofta
I mean,
also,
say,
cabbage
as a
kofta
English,
also.
they eat everything.
Yes, and cabbage, the corn, it's healthy for
Yeah.
our body. So
So, how are you feeling by coming in this show of food
I'm
treasure?
very honorable to come here and thankful to all, to you and your all team of Food Treasure. Thank you to inviting me here. I feel very good, and I also feel that what I have made. So you just all the people's who's
Is,
series. We you also the try at home. It's so simple dish.
and it's tasty also. The fragrance is coming out of the
Yes.
bowl.
So
So,
we
we will
next
see to it.
we next the curry in the bowl.
Then it is ready now.
Yes, we add koftas in it. Then we mixed it,
Okay.
and the dish is ready.
So if we have taken the curry and the balls in the plate, so we have to only serve it in the plate, and the dish will be ready soon. So thank you for watching our show Food Treasure, and we are too happy to get our guest as her. So we are so thank you for you to coming here and show our audience the nice dish for telling. Thank you.